Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And you will hold both of those keys till you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen. Once you see it, simply let go of the two keys. There we go. And wait for the recovery mode to show up. And there we go. So in here, you want to select safe mode, but as you will probably realize, touchscreen doesn't work in here, so you need to use volume keys to navigate, and then power key to confirm it. Now this will obviously initiate a reboot of the device and boot you into the safe mode. Now while it's booting up, I'm gonna quickly just tell you a brief version of what this mode is for. So safe mode is used traditionally for troubleshooting your device. If you have some kind of problem that you suspect that might be like software based, so some kind of application causing you problems or battery draining too quick, you can boot it into safe mode and see if the problem persists. Because in this mode, only the default application will be able to run normally. Any kind of other application that comes that you have installed or comes installed with the device will basically not be able to start up. Let's see. So right now I don't actually see any applications that I can't start. The way you can verify which apps you can use or which ones you can't, as normal apps or the apps that you can use will look, well, just as every one of the apps right here does. So just a typical look, colored and all that stuff. But the apps that are not allowed to start in safe mode will be basically monochrome, black and white, and if you try to click on them, it will give you a pop-up at the bottom saying that this app cannot be launched in safe mode or something along those lines. So yeah, anyway, that is how you would boot into the safe mode. And once you're done with it and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you need to do is hold the power key and this time around click on reboot. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in our Android and normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.